Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dotted line within Figma. It's quick and easy. It's a very simple concept in actual fact, so let's check it out. So you can create a dotted line or a dash on pretty much anything in Figma. We're going to start out with this line over here. Now all I did was use the pen tool and I've got a line. Now once it's selected, you're going to go over to the right hand side and the stroke. You'll see that you can just make it a little bit larger. Alright, this will allow us to see what we're doing. Now to the right there's three dots, and once you click on that you'll see the stroke style, and you use the drop down menu to go and choose dash instead of solid. Now from here you have some customization tools. You have the dash, that's the size of the dash, and then you have the gap in between, and you also have the dash cap. So just for example, let's make this 10 and let's make this 5. And you'll see this is what it looks like. Now let's just zoom in on that so we can see what it actually looks like. As you can see now, the dash cap, that's what it looks like there. That's what that looks like. And that's what that looks like. You can also create endpoints. You can see these are some of the endpoints. And then you have a miter angle as well, which you can add on there. Now let's just scroll back out here. And you'll see on the left hand side here, that is what it actually looks like. On the right hand side as well. So there is a way of doing it on any shape as well. All you have to do is select this shape, select stroke, add that stroke, the three dots, exactly the same thing, same customization tools. The image as well, you can go over stroke, three dots, dash, and all your details, and just make sure that you are making that large enough so that you can see it. And you can see quite clearly all of those have dotted lines.